Imagine turning your creative vision into a playable reality. Welcome to the DIY Artcade, a revolutionary project where innovation meets nostalgia. In an exciting collaboration with Dassault Systems, Intel, and 2-Bit Circus, Strange Outfit is bringing the arcade experience to a whole new audience. We're empowering makers, students, and entrepreneurs with the tools to build their own arcade cabinet. Our mission? To make technology accessible and fun. With free design files and open source software, your dream arcade is just a weekend project away. This isn't just about games. It's about learning valuable skills and igniting entrepreneurial spirits. Place it in a partner location like a restaurant or a laundromat, and it'll generate passive income. Whether you're a seasoned maker or taking your first steps into the DIY world, the DIY Artcade is your playground. It's simple, customizable, and waiting for your personal touch. Join us in this global movement. Bring an open source arcade to your community. Let's learn, build, and play together. The DIY Artcade, where every joystick movement, every button press tells your story. Start your journey today and be a part of crafting the future of fun.